The new update just dropped in Blue Lock, and these are all the new working codes inside of this new King Rework update. Ranked is added as well as the King refresh, as you guys can see over here. They're completely released, so King is changed, which means he got a little bit better. Okay, he actually got a little bit better. As you guys can see, King is right over here, and you can actually just get him and redeem every single one of these new working codes inside of Blue Lock. A lot of lucky spins, they didn't even change these letters. Why didn't they change it? There is some new codes though, so let's actually redeem every single new code inside of Blue Lock Rivals. We have a couple lucky spins to get, as well as some free cash. The first code is going to be AMD, ANK. As you guys can see, this is going to be the first code. The first code, as the first code goes. Don't miss on any of these codes, because you can actually get yourself a bunch of free lucky spinneronies, as well as some free money boosters. The first code is going to be ranked exclamation point. Be sure to redeem ranked exclamation point. This one will give you 10 lucky flow spins and 10 lucky style spins, so you're getting 20 lucky spins in total. Anyways, boys, if you would like to have yourself an extra slot, you can see that I'm literally giving away extra slots on my videos, and you can win one simply by typing in King. Comment King. I commented King, and I am able to win a extra slot. There will be 3 winners, so I hope you actually win and get yourself a free extra slot, and we will be gifting way more than this, so stay tuned, subscribe, as well as like the video. LOKI soon, redeem LOKI soon code. That is the next code that you actually want to redeem, so LOKI soon. That is the next update. The next update will be the LOKI update. LOKI. I'm not really sure when they will be changing the odds, because the odds are kind of skewed right now. I'll be honest, the odds are kind of skewed, and as you guys can see, we got so many world class characters. It's kind of overwhelming. Okay, like, look, 5 world class characters. Maybe they have to remove some or like change them up, because it's a lot of world class characters. Or they can just keep adding them, because the chance is very low to get. I mean, they can just add another one, doesn't really matter. Anyways, these are all the codes. Be sure to guys like the video, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.